Here's everything you need to know about transforms in Blender to be a Blender expert. So let's say that we have this shape and you want to rotate this around a specific axis. So let's say, for example, you want to have the pivot point right here. So if you normally rotate, let's say, for example, on the X, it rotates around here. So how do you make it only open from here, like, for example, as a door? And really simple. So there are two methods you can do this. One is better than the other, but you can do both. It really depends on the use case. So the two methods are the 3D cursor and the pivot points. So let's see it in action. So where do we want this part to rotate? I want it to rotate around this vertex, so it rotates from here, if you can imagine that. So what I would do is I would select that cursor and then press Shift S and cursor to selected. And then I would press dot on the keyboard and make the pivot point to be the 3D cursor. Now if I rotate, let's say on the y-axis, so let's like this, on the x-axis, it rotates around the pivot point, which is the 3D cursor. If I move the 3D cursor to here and we rotate, you see it's gonna rotate around that cursor. So that's one way. But let's say that you're importing this into a game and the 3D cursor is not going to be transformed to the game because the pivot point by default is here. So if you're going to do this for a game and you always want it to rotate around here, then again, you would select this vertex, cursor to selected, then you would right click on it, you would right click on the object, right click, and origin to 3D cursor. Now, even if you put the cursor right here, let's change the pivot point to be the individual origins. Now, if you rotate on the x-axis, it's always going to rotate around this, regardless of the 3D cursor. But if you're doing this in Blender in general, you could always change the pivot point. So if I change the pivot point to be the active element, it's going to rotate around the active element, the active element itself. So if I select this, you're going to see it rotates on the active element, which is here. If I select this and make it the medium point, it also rotates around the pivot point. If I select it and make it the 3D cursor, it's going to rotate around the 3D cursor. That's one of the key things you need to understand about pivot points and transforms in Blender. See you soon.